Huh.
Hey guys, it's Jason here again, and this is not a metal detecting video, but it's an update on my little garden. I know I didn't get out this weekend. I wanted to, but it just had some trouble with my car, or my vehicle, so I kind of had to deal with that, and I didn't want to go out somewhere and have my water pump fail me like it's been failing me. So anyways, I want to show you a little update on my garden. Here's the corns that I planted in the ground. Here's the pansy, and they're kind of living up to their name. They're not really liking it here, but you know, I don't know. So anyways, I planted in the ground where is it? There it is. Some cilantro, and that one actually came up straight out of the ground. So here are my tomato plants. They're not that big yet, but 2 weeks ago we had snow, and all the bottom leaves got froze off. So you can see they're trying to recoup. Here's my other corn. That one's doing pretty good. Here's my bell pepper. Here's cilantro that I started inside in a seed tray. And apparently one of my kids has pulled off some of the leaves because you can see some leaves off, or one of the many numerous rabbits have, you know, thrashed and ate whatever they felt like, but nothing else has been hit. So anyways, here's the other tomato. This pansy, kind of wilty looking. I don't know what's the deal, but you know, like I said, a name like pansy, they're not going to last. Anyways, here's the other cilantro that I transplanted yesterday from the seed starter in the house. That one's doing okay. Other tomato, bell pepper, other corn, and other tomato. Like I said, you can look down here, you can see that we got hit with snow blowing sideways, and it really did a number on these guys. I just barely planted them a week before that. Here's the other pansy, and there's my midget corn stalk. I don't think that one's going to do very well, because it was planted at the same time as all these other ones, and it's not that big. So yeah. Whoa, Damien. Here's Damien, my trusty sidekick. He's a good boy. So here's the issue we're having with this old beast, my metal detector machine that I take out every weekend. If you can see under there, you can see all that drainage. It's because my water pump's going out, but I can't really afford a new one right now, and it's a 4-hour job in the books. It's kind of a hassle if you look at this. Look how close everything is. Just, I mean, you don't got no room to work. You got to take everything off just to get down there to the water pump itself, and so I put a band-aid on it. I'm going to show you. I'll take out the name because I don't know if it's legal for me to, like, it's not an advertisement, but it's liquid copper made by a pretty well-known brand of stop leak, and it says, where is it? Permanently seals or permanently repairs larger leaks. Well, I don't want to permanently repair it. I just need a band-aid until I can afford me a new water pump. And sorry about not getting out today and having a metal detector video. I mean, I'm feeling it. I'm getting, you know, the itch. So anyways, it's a little update and everything else. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll be out next week, hopefully. And anyways, have a good day, happy hunting, good luck, hope your vehicles are all running good, and good weekend. Have a good day. Bye.
Huh.